In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel recurring appointments on Acuity, providing you with a full guide for 2025. Whether you're managing your own schedule or overseeing appointments for others, knowing how to efficiently cancel appointments can save you time and reduce unnecessary confusion. Let's get started by visiting Acuity Scheduling. Head over to the Acuity website and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the main dashboard where you manage all your appointments and client details. It's crucial to become comfortable navigating this interface as it will streamline the way you handle scheduling tasks, including cancellations. Next, you'll want to locate the Clients tab in the navigation menu. Clicking on this will open up a detailed list of all the clients you've worked with. The Clients section is a valuable resource, offering insights into previous interactions and future appointments. Scan through this list to find the specific client whose recurring appointment you need to cancel. After identifying your desired client, click on their name to access their specific profile. This section contains all their scheduling information, including all upcoming and past appointments. To proceed, look for the Edit button. This allows you to make changes to their scheduled appointments, crucial for initiating any modifications such as cancellations. With the client profile open, go to the section labeled Upcoming Appointments. Here, you'll find a complete list of all appointments scheduled with this client. Select the particular appointment you wish to cancel. Selecting the specific appointment is important as it isolates the task you need to manage without affecting other unrelated appointments. Once you've pinpointed and selected the appointment you wish to cancel, look for the Cancel Selected button. By clicking this, Acuity marks your intent to remove this appointment from the books. It's a critical step that signals your decision and prepares the system for the final cancellation process. Finally, to wrap up the cancellation, you'll need to click on Cancel Appointment. This final step confirms the transaction, effectively removing the scheduled appointment from both your and the client's calendar. It's always a good idea to notify the client separately about the cancellation to ensure open communication and maintain professional courtesy. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to cancel recurring appointments on Acuity. This process can greatly enhance how you manage your calendar, allowing you to maintain a streamlined and organized schedule. Feel free to revisit this guide anytime you need, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials on maximizing your efficiency with scheduling and other productivity tools. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.